Hello, welcome to Taste of Louisiana. I'm going to try Dolly Parton's chicken and dumplings. So I just got it out of the microwave. I don't know if I can try it or not. It's hot. That's what it looks like. Okay, let's give this a try. But it's got big carrots and stuff in it, and I don't know about it's got big pieces of chicken in it. Look at that chicken. It kind of don't look like real chicken, but and there's the carrots. Okay, so let's give this a try. If I can get any. I don't know why I didn't get a spoon, but here we go. Well, these are the dumplings. They're not that great. No, they're not that great. Okay, let's try the chicken by itself. Looks like mystery meat. It's okay. The gravy is good. Like I said, the gravy is really good. The chicken is good. I mean, it's not where you can't eat it, but as far as the dumplings, I don't really care for them. But overall, I mean, it's not bad. I mean, I like the other one better, the grits and shrimp. But this isn't bad, the chicken and dumplings. But that's all I have for you today. Bye.